Hi, this is Easy Pros for You channel. In today's video, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate TikTok account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. TikTok is one of the world's biggest social media platforms, but whether for privacy or mental health, there are plenty of reasons users may want to leave or take a break from the social network. If you want to step away from TikTok, use this guide in this video to temporarily deactivate your account. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just tap on your profile. Now you can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. And you can find there is an option settings and privacy. You can tap on that. You can go to account, tap on account. And you can see there is an option deactivate or delete account. You can just tap on that. Here you can choose if you want to leave TikTok temporarily, simply deactivate your account. If you choose to delete your account instead, you won't be able to recover it after 30 days. So now, because we want to deactivate, you can just tap on choose on deactivate account. So when you deactivate your account, no one can see your account, including all content that is stored in it. Reactivate your account and recover all content anytime. You can choose on that. If you deactivate your account, you can see, you can read this. Now you can tap on deactivate. TikTok will send you code to your email to confirm that this is you. So here, you can enter the code. Now you can tap on deactivate account. Choose on deactivate. So now you have deactivate your TikTok account. It's a simple, right? So that is how to deactivate your TikTok account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.